Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 62. Karachi colon. Amid growing concerns of opposition parties and speculation surrounding the fate of 18th Amendment, after recent statements from key government functionaries, Prime Minister Imran Khan spoke his heart out on Wednesday, while ruling out any plan to roll back the devolution plan, but clearly hinting at his intentions over the subject and called for reviewing the 10-year-old reforms, which, he said needed to be fixed, along with the concept of National Finance Commission award that carries anomalies, full stop. The PM openly shared his thoughts, probably for the first time during the first leg of his visit to Sindh, where the ruling Pakistan People's Party has vowed to resist any move against the 18th Amendment by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government at the center. Full stop. New para. Sindh Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah was not invited to any official meetings that PM Khan held during his visit to the province. Full stop. We came to know through media that PM is visiting Karachi on Tuesday, Sindh CM advisor Barrister Murtaza Wahab told Dawn. Full stop. So the CM kept his schedule open, anticipating his engagements with the Prime Minister. Full stop. But the Prime Minister landed here on Tuesday evening and the CM was not invited for any meeting. Full stop. New para. He said the provincial government was also not informed about the schedule of the Prime Minister's engagements in Karachi or Larkana. Full stop. Talking to journalists at Governor House, PM Khan said devolution is always effective for a good governance system. Full stop. I have no objection to the 18th Amendment, nor am I against it. Full stop. But they have included several things in that reform in haste. Full stop. They definitely needed to be reviewed and fixed. Full stop. There are several things wrong in it. 18th Amendment, and they are not practical. Full stop. New para. To strengthen his argument, he referred to several areas of administration which had become challenging after the 18th Amendment, and the center was helpless to fix problems in those sectors. Full stop. The Prime Minister mentioned environment, drugs and food standardization, where the provinces were managing their regulations under their different policies, creating hurdles in smooth operations in their areas. Full stop. In the devolution system, powers are transferred from provinces to local administration, said PM Khan. Full stop. But here we see that our local bodies don't enjoy any power. Full stop. New paragraph. All powers are enjoyed by the chief minister, and he was become a kind of dictator. Full stop. He is not offering powers to the local administration. Full stop. The effective devolution functioning requires a three-tier system, but here it is stuck in two tiers. Full stop. The 18th Amendment, passed during the PPP government in 2010, has devolved powers to the provinces in key areas of public services, including health, women development, social welfare, and local government. Full stop. The PM did not end here, he spoke about the concept of over half a century old NFC, award, comma, questioning its effectiveness and utility, full stop. He said it was not serving the purpose it was supposed to achieve as it originally aimed at controlling financial imbalances and equally managing financial resources of the provinces to meet their liabilities while alleviating horizontal fiscal imbalances. Full stop. New paragraph. For instance, comma, there is a system of the NFC, comma, he said, full stop. What kind of system it is that under this the government goes into rupees 700 billion deficit, full stop. After paying 65% to the provinces and over security and debt servicing, comma, we start the budget with rupees 700 billion deficit, full stop. We design our budget depending on loans, full stop. This is absolutely unfeasible, full stop. There is a wrong impression being created that we are rolling back 18th Amendment or thinking anything wrong about the NFC, full stop. New para. But there is a strong need to discuss this serious issue, full stop. We only want to remove the anomalies and fix things, full stop. Asked about his policies to meet the challenge of coronavirus pandemic and a consistent tussle like situation between the federal and Sindh governments, comma, he regretted that elements were playing politics and, comma, in a soft way, comma, blamed the PPP leadership, comma, saying it always backed out of its words after agreeing on different measures at national forums, full stop, new paragraph. Unfortunately, comma, some elements are consistently playing politics on this very sensitive and serious issue, comma, the Prime Minister said, full stop. From the very first day we set up the NCOC, National Command and Operations Center, which is meeting regularly and taking decisions about the measures to contain the contagion in consensus with all the provinces, full stop. Similarly, comma, there is a national coordination committee where all chief ministers have representation, full stop. At that forum, Murad Ali Shah agrees with all decisions and then the next R. Bilawal comes up with a different statement showing differences between the center and the provincial government, full stop. I can't understand that, full stop. New para. The PM said that from the day one he was against strict lockdown in the country to stem the spread of the virus as he was worried about the labor class, comma, particularly daily wages, full stop. The government, comma, he said, comma, had double responsibility of taking steps to contain the spread of COVID-19 and, comma, at the same time, comma, ensure that the poorer segments of society did not face financial challenges, full stop. New paragraph. I can say this with authority the way we have handled the situation, no one couldn't in the world, full stop. We imposed the lockdown and at the same time saved people from extreme poverty, comma, he said, full stop. Later, comma, Mr. Khan spoke about joblessness in Ladkana, full stop. In a tweet, comma, he said, colon, PM Relief Fund in Larkana, comma, I found a large no of unemployed were Chhabriwala's home police had stopped from working, full stop. I have asked Governor Sindh to take this up with the CM as these poor people do not violate social distancing and their families' survival depends on their daily income, full stop. New paragraph. In reply, a question about the locust attacks, the Prime Minister said the emergency was declared back on January 31 and for the 5 months. The federal government was making all-out efforts to eliminate the locust swarms. Full stop. Answering a question about the Sugar Inquiry Commission report, he vowed that the government would not leave any stone unturned to expose the people behind this huge scam. Full stop. He wondered over the power of sugar mafia and how they operate in nexus with the national institutions. Full stop. New paragraph. The Sugar report exposes the political elite which mints money through this trade. He said, full stop, they have enjoyed rupees 29 billion subsidy in 4 years. They earn again through rebate in the name of exports. Full stop. It is a huge scam. Full stop. The regulators, which are supposed to keep a check on them, are their partners. Full stop. Everyone, whether it is FBR, SECP or CCP, full stop, because they are so powerful. Full stop. And I wonder how a stay order can be issued over the report of an inquiry commission, question mark. They do have political differences, but when it comes to money and their business interests, they are all on same page. Full stop. New para. Meets delegations, visits Larkana earlier, during a meeting with a delegation of PTI members of the Sindh Assembly, the Prime Minister urged them to play an active role in solving problems of the masses in their constituencies. Full stop. The MPAs gave suggestions on strengthening ties between the Federation and the provinces. Full stop. Sindh Governor Imran Ismail, Minister for Maritime Affairs, Syed Ali Zaidi, and PM's Special Assistant Dr. Sania Nishtar were present. Full stop. New para. After meeting with the leaders of the allied parties, Prime Minister Khan left for Larkana, where he also held a meeting with the PTI members. Full stop. He also visited the Esas Emergency Cash Disbursement Center in Sachal Colony, Larkana. Full stop. The Prime Minister interacted with beneficiaries and inquired about their financial condition, particularly in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. Full stop. The Prime Minister was also accompanied by Federal Minister for Privatization, Muhammad Mia Sumro, SAPM on Information, retired Lieutenant General Asam Salim Bajwa, and PTI Sindh President Halim Adil Sheikh. Full stop.